If I could have ever been able to go back to my 16-year-old self and give a few pieces of advice, I know that it would have saved a lot of my stress and wasted time and energy and many of it. So, if you are a teenager, this video is for you. So, here are some things that I wish that someone would have told me at 16. Point 1. Nobody thinks about your mistakes as much as you do. At 16, I thought that everybody around me noticed every mistake I made. If I said something wrong or get stumbled or maybe embarrassed myself, then everybody would keep it forever or think it and keep it in their mind forever. But honestly, everybody is so busy with their lives that they do not have any time to think about what I did or what mistake did I make. So the truth is that never feel embarrassment or any, shame in just trying. Just give your full heart and keep trying and never feel embarrassed in any case. Point number 2, confidence comes from doing and not waiting. Honestly, I always believe that confidence is something people are born with, or maybe it's in the genetics or genes. Yeah, I used to blame my mom daily that you were not confident, that's the reason I am also not confident. But honestly, now I've understood that confidence is a daily practice and it comes when we do things that scares us. So when you do something at your risk or something that scares you or has been scaring you always, and when you do that job or if it's done, then you're the most confident person ever on earth. So confidence comes after you start taking your actions and not waiting for confidence to develop and then take your actions. You don't need to have everything figured out. Honestly, at 16, we all have the pressure that life is almost going to get started, or you'll have to pursue a perfect career, earn money, become financially independent in a few, strokes of fear. And because of the pressure, we always get confused. But honestly, not everyone has things figured out always at that point. It's okay to explore. It's okay to change your mind because growth is not a straight line, right? Stop comparing your life to highlighted reels. Honestly, on social media, everyone shows the best of their life. Obviously, no one will show their struggles or their efforts or failures or anything. They'll show the best points of their life and their success and the best moments with anyone they've had ever. So instead of comparing our life with social media, and social media is a big point that is actually breaking us down if you're not using it in a proper way. So stop comparing us to yourselves with those reels. Instead, build your own life and get progress and happiness in that life. Small daily efforts big beat big occasional events. Honestly, small wins or achievements or small habits or practices, for example, reading 10 pages daily, learning a new word, learning a new phrase, or learning a complete chapter daily, or revising everything you've been taught in your school on daily basis. All of this is a big achievement for your bigger successes in your life. So, what do I wish that someone had told me in 16? Don't fear of mistake, be consistent, be kind, and take your action without a lot of overthinking. You don't need all the answers, don't compare, and most importantly, your future is not being made by the mistake you did yesterday, but by the choices you make today. So, if this video helped you in any way, do share this with everyone you know and let them all know the things they would have wished to know at their 16. Or like, share, and subscribe to my channel. To the next video, take care and bye bye.